The other day, I watched an interview with Arnold Schwarzenegger talking about how he was just starting out his career in bodybuilding. And so he said that one day after school, he went into a store and saw a bodybuilding magazine. On the cover was Reg Park, his idol, the guy who inspired him to become a champion. And then he said, I took this magazine home. And well, the rest is history. He became the Arnold we all know today. But here's the thing. What if he said, I brought this magazine home? It sounds a little off, doesn't it? That's because there is a difference between bring and take, and that's what we are going to be talking about today. Hi, I'm Terry and welcome to my channel. I've heard a lot of different explanations on how to use these words from many different teachers, and I still find them a little bit confusing, and so today I'll try to explain this in a very simple way to make it easier to understand. So both bring and take mean pretty much the same thing, carrying something from one place to another one. But here's the difference. Bring is about carrying something from a distant place to a closer one, while take is about carrying something from a nearby place to a more distant place. Now let's see an example. Please bring a bag lunch at Subway Money to school tomorrow. In this example, the place where you're at now is closer, is probably the school or classroom, and the teacher is asking you to bring lunch at Subway Money from home, which is more distant place. So in this case, bring fits perfectly. Let's look at take. Don't forget to take your art project home this afternoon. Let's say you are still at school and you need to take your art project from here to the more distant place, your home. So the key idea is that take is about moving something away from your current location to somewhere farther away. Let's go over some more examples to make sure it's clear. You bring snacks to a party, but after it's over, you take leftovers home. Please bring a cup of coffee when you come back from the kitchen. Can you bring your guitar to the campfire tonight? Can you take the trash out before you leave? Don't forget to take your umbrella, it might rain later. I need to take this package to the post office. And now let's check out how these words are used in some movies.
Bring your food over here and eat with me, okay?
Okay.
Delivery boy, could you bring me my espresso?
Okay. Pick in Evan's office his computer. Please bring it here.
Okay.
You know, I was thinking, if you want, you could bring the baby here.
Bring your sexy ass home. I'll be waiting.
You want me to bring you something?
Take the garbage out on your way out.
Buffy, if you're going out, why don't you take your sister?
Can you take that damn thing off the table?
So, Joey and Chandler, I think it's time that you take Dr. Green over to your place.
I hope these examples help you understand even more how to use these words in real life. Native English speakers didn't learn rules and grammar in schools. They just say, it sounds right this way. And my advice to you, listen to native speakers as much as you can and read a lot. Then the correct way will sound right to you too when you speak and write. Well, thank you so much for watching. I hope this was helpful. Stay tuned for more videos on tricky words, and I'll see you in the next one.